Alright then, first station of the day, we are coming into it now, and coming north from Birmingham International. I think it is pretty clear where we will be going, given that we are on a 350. So, we will alight. I genuinely don't think I've been on a 350 for about a year, because of the 730s coming into service now. Ooh, there's no signal. Okay, this could be a pretty slow start to the session because of signal. Yeah, we are now at our first station for the day. Yeah, the sides are all broken out. Yeah, as per usual, pretty unprofessional start from me, but oh well. Never been here before, so you can give me a bit of leeway with it. Alright then. Okay then, let's get started here at Hampton-In-Arden with of 350 247 and 350 yeah, let's get started here with 350 247 and 350 243 with 1 Yankee 24 in the 1050 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham New Street to London Euston. Alright then, yeah, I don't know how good I'm going to be with spots here because, like I said, I've never been here before, so yeah, bear with me with how good the journey, well, the session quality is. Okie dokie then, let's see what we are working with at Hampton-In-Arden. Okay then, so next train of the session is, let's see. First thing, we will see the pass of 390 013 with 1 Bravo 35 from Birmingham New Street to London Euston for Avanti West Coast. As they pass, we should also see the arrival of 350 262 coming the other way with 1 Yankee 21 and the 1102 London Northwestern Railway service from London Euston to Birmingham New Street. And these depart out 2 minutes late, bound for New Street. Okay, next up we should see the pass of 220014 and 220001 with 1 Delta 12 from Manchester Piccadilly to Bournemouth. Alright then, following the passing of the Voyagers, I'm pretty sure the penultimate service of the session was then, so let me just have a quick check. It was, and arriving in from down the line to finish us up. Well, it's been a pretty good first session at Hampton-In-Arden. We should see 350, 369, 350, 242 arriving in with 1 Yankee, 2 sticks, and the 1120 London Northwestern railway service from Birmingham New Street to London Euston. Alright then, here they come to finish us up at Hampton-In-Arden. And these are arriving in 1 minute early. This will take us on to our second session of the day as we head to Birkswell. Right then, thank you for joining me in this session, and as these arrive, that is a good session at Hampton-In-Arden done.